This is chapter 11 construction. Let us continue now. Now this will be your first exercise 11.1. Now in this exercise you have to draw the angles without protractor. That means you have to draw the angles with the help of compass. So today we are going to learn how to draw the angles with compass. Few angles I am going to show you, and you practice them at home, and give me the photocopies of this so that I can see the construction, whether you have drawn correctly or not. So let us start now. So first we will draw the angles of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. So angles 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. Very simple it is. In one construction only all three angles I will show you. Now first you draw the ray. Take this as OA. So ray OA. If you take ray OA only, this will be 0 degree. This angle is 0 degree. Now first of all, we don't have to use protractor. We have to use only compass. So take some radius, suitable radius you take. Taking O as the center, that means you have to keep your compass at O. Draw one arc, full arc you draw. Nearly half circle or semicircle. Okay, any distance, any radius. Now taking this point of where the arc intersects the ray OA, take this point and draw one arc which cuts the first arc. See here, taking same distance. Remember, this distance is same distance it is. See here. Okay, now from this point of intersection, draw one more arc, same distance, same radius, and again third arc. So we have drawn three arcs on the first arc, taking the same radius. See it again. So this is your first arc. See it again. So where it intersects the ray OA, that point of intersection, you can name it or you may not name it. Draw one, same radius, draw one arc. From this point of intersection, draw second arc. Again repeat the same. The third arc will be there. Now you join the first point of intersection with O. Do it properly so that vertex of the angle you will get correct one. This is 60 degree angle. You can name it as AOB. This is 60 degree angle. Now second point of intersection you join with O. This will be your 120 degree angle. So this ray shows 60 degree angle. This ray shows 120 degree angle. You can label it as C. And you join. So this whole angle is, you join this last arc with O, you will get one straight line. You know that straight line means 180 degree angle. You label it as D. Now here angle AOB AOB or BOA. You can actually we read like this only, but generally our practice is angle BOA. So angle BOA is equal to 60 degree. Angle COA is equal to 120 degree, and angle DOA is 180 degree. Now what is the justification of this one? If we take this point as P and this point as Q, if I join PQ, then you will see that this is an equilateral triangle. Triangle QOP is an equilateral triangle. So you know that all the angles of equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Each angle is 60 degree. So this will be automatically 60 degree. Similarly, if I take this point R and if I join, this is another equilateral triangle. So this will be again 60 degree. And similarly, if I join this point with this one, you will get one more equilateral triangle, that is RSO. So this will be again 60. So 60 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 180. Now separately I will show you first angle 60 degree. Just very simple it is. You must have done it. It is in the 7th grade also. Just one angle only, that is 60 degree we are taking. So taking the arc, taking the point center as O, draw one arc, and taking same radius from the point of the intersection, do it. This will be your 60 degree angle. Justification I will show you, will write in the school now. So this is 60 degree angle, very simple. Second now 120 degree. So separately, if suppose we have to draw only 120 degree, we can do. You can label as per given name if a name is given, otherwise you can have your own choice. Now we will draw 120 degree angle, very simple it is. Arc, now taking the same radius from this point of intersection, first arc, same radius from this first point, second point of intersection, take second arc, you will get the two arcs, join second arc with O. This will be your angle of 120 degree. Name it as, here you can name it as B or C, whatever it may be. C, here you can name it B. So this is the angle 120 degree. Okay, now other angles 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 105, 135, 150, that I will be showing you tomorrow. Till that you practice all these angles. I hope that you must have understood. Practice nicely. Tomorrow I will complete all the angles. Thank you very much.